For this video, we will be answering some DE problems involving separable DE. So let's start. This problem number 1, we can separate the first term by the rule of radicals times square root of y dx. And the second term, we can factor out this x times square root of 1 minus x because they are both present in this term and this term. So we can factor it out. 1 minus x inside will be y minus 1 dy equal to 0. Now to completely separate, we can divide both sides by this square root of y times x 1 minus x just to separate it. So to simplify, ang mabilin x square root dx all over x 1 minus x. And for the second term, if i-distribute na to siya, kanidiri is ma-cancel out. So mabili na lang is y minus 1 dy all over square root of y is equal to 0. And before we will be integrating, na pa siya'y ma-simplify, diba? Since this is base x and base x, naka-raise lang siya into kani is naka-raise into 1 half. Kani is naka-raise to 1. Pwede to siya ma-cancel by using algebra na x raised to 1 half over x equal siya kang x 1 half minus 1, which is equal to x raised to negative 1 half. So, simplify sa natong first term. First term will be integral of dx over square root of x 1 minus. Second term, integral, same concept. Distribute the square root of y, himo siyang y 1 minus 1 half. Minus, if ato siyang i-transform into power, raise na to siya to numerator, himo siyang y raised to negative 1 half dy equal to integral of 0 is always a constant, right? So, i-simplify sa nato before mag-proceed. Let's just copy the first term, dx square root of x 1 minus x minus the integral of 1 minus 1 half is just y negative 1 half. I mean, no, not negative, positive 1 half minus y raised to negative 1 half dy equal to c. Ang first term is a combination of u substitution and trigonometric substitution, which is fun because if we let u be equal to square root of x and ato siyang square, u squared equal to x, and find its differential, mayroon siyang 2u du be equal to dx. Now, nanatay dx. Maplagi na to sa diri. And this one, focus na sa first term. First term. Himo siyang 2u du over square root of x, gilet na to as u. And si x karon, di ba, is dara. So, rireta to siya as square root of 1 minus u squared. Sige, focus sa to ang first term kay the second term is just a power rule. Dali lang siya. So, this one, continue by rule of constant in a integral, pwede siya magawas. And si u is pwede siya ma-cancel out. Bili na lang du over 1 minus u squared. Notice that this is a trigonometric substitution by using u be equal to sine theta. And ang differential du equal to derivative sa sine is cosine theta d theta. Then plug in. This integral will become 2. Ito ang u is sine theta, so du will be cosine theta d theta all over 1 minus sine squared theta. Simplify na lang. Cos theta d theta all over, diba, from Pythagorean theorem na cos squared theta plus sine squared theta is equal to 1. And if mag-minus sa diri og sine theta, transpose na to siya. Cos squared theta will now be equal to 1 sine squared theta, which is present sa tuang diri. So, pwede na to siya ma-simplify into cos squared theta. And ang ato ang naka-squared tapos naka-radical, so pwede siya ma-cancel out. Bili na lang 2 integral of cos theta d theta over cosine theta. And we can also cancel this one out. Ang mabili na lang is 2 d theta, which is equal to 2 theta. From our substitution ganiha dara, we can find the value of theta na equal si theta kang arc sine of u. Equal kang 2 arc sine of u. And the value of u ganiha is square root of x arc sine now. This is the answer for our first term, and sa ato ang second term ganiha, which is integral of y raised to 1 half minus y raised to negative 1 half dy equal to c. This term, this is negative. This term is just a simple power rule. So we can simplify this as arc sine of negative, distribute the negative sign. Negative power rule of this one is just y 1 half plus 1 is just 3 half all over 3 half plus y raised to negative 1 half plus 1 is y raised to 1 half over 1 half. Now, just simplify and that is the final answer. 2 sine arc sine square root of x minus reciprocal 2/3 y raised to 3 halves plus 2 raised to 1 half equal to c. Answer number 1. Now, for problem number 2 is nakaseparate na siya daan, si dx and si dy. So, simple na lang siya ng integral. Distribute na to sa integral, meron siyang dx plus ln x dx, the same as in dy plus integral of dy plus integral of ln y dy equal to integral of 0. Integral of dx is x plus kani this term and this term is ang solution gamitan og integral by parts. So let's just put it as it is. Process na to na next. Plus integral of y with respect to dy is just y. Plus integral of ln y dy equal to integral of 0 is constant again. This one is a integral by parts. By using this formula, integral of u dv is equal to uv minus integral of v du. So we let u be equal to ln x. Du be equal to 1 over x dx. And our dv will be equal to dx. By integrating, makuha to si v as equal to x. Use this formula, mahimo siyang uv. U and v. uv x ln x minus integral of v du 1 over x dx. Makancel out si x. Karon, this one will simplify into x ln x minus integral of dx, which is equal to x ln x minus x. And kita nimo nga si ln y dy is same lang po, variable na lahi. So meaning kani siya is just equal to y ln y minus y. So our answer will be combining this term by term, x plus x ln x minus x plus y ln y minus y equals the c. So natay makancel out, which is kani c plus y and c negative y. So the final answer will be x ln x plus y ln y equal to c. Answer number 2. Now, for our problem number 3, we can easily separate the variable by dividing both sides by y cubed times e raised to negative x y. Kaya pag i-distribute natin si y cubed diri, makancel out diri si y cubed. Bili na lang is si x dx all over e raised to negative x plus distribute ato diri, makancel out diri si e raised to x. Meron siyang y plus 1 dy all over y cubed equal to 0. Then we can now finally integrate. Integrate. Then simplify sa nato. Imo siyang raise to nato siya into numerator. X e raised to positive x na siya. Kaya na siya sa baba, nag-negative. Meaning, pag in-numerator mo siya, mo siyang positive. Dx plus, distribute to si y cube dire. Mo siyang y over y cube is just y raised to negative 2 plus y raised to negative 3 dy be equal to constant c. The first term again is a integral by parts problem using u dv be equal to uv minus integral of v du. We let u be equal to x. Du is now equal to dx. So our dv will be the remaining function na e raised to x dx. By integrating both sides, v is equal to e raised to x lang yapon. So, by plugging in uv, mo siyang x e raised to x minus integral of v du e raised to x dx. That is e raised to x minus e raised to negative x. And for our second term, is just a simple power rule plus integral of y raised to negative 2 is just y raised to negative 1 over negative 1 plus y raised to negative 2 over negative. Now to simplify, just add all terms of all of our answer will be x e raised to x minus e raised to x plus, minus 1 kay y raised to negative 1 over negative 1 is just y. Yan lang. Minus 1 half y raised to negative 2 equal to constant. If gusto pa ni simplify pa na to siya into e raised to x. Factor out siya diri. X minus 1. And bring down na to ang negative sign mo siyang 1 over y minus 1 over 2 y squared is equal to c. This is our answer for number 3. For problem number 4, we can separate this one. This one is a little bit confusing, but if you are familiar with factoring by grouping or even just a simple factorization concept, if you are familiar with that, you can easily just separate it by using that concept. For this term, na-separate iba na to si x by using factorization of x dx is equal to, this one is mo siya ang lisod gamay. Pero if ato siyang i-group sa nato, x squared y squared plus x squared, this one group na to ni, and si y squared plus 1 is i-group sa dato dy. Diri nga term, if i-factor out na to sa x squared, factor out y squared plus 1 plus, as you can see, nag-appear si y squared plus 1. Allow me to copy this one. Now, simplify again. From this term and this term is ma-factor out na nato si y squared plus 1. Mabili na lang is x squared plus 1. Diba? Dali lang. x, y plus 1 dx. So we can now separate the x and y variables by canceling out x squared plus 1 and y plus 1. Now, to simplify further, x dx na lang kay ma-cancel out si kani diri over x squared plus 1 equal to cancel out si kani diri nga term. Bilin is y squared plus 1 dy all over y plus 1. As you can see from our right hand nga term is a improper fraction kay taas og power si 2 yung gamay lang diri sa numerator. So we can proceed by doing some long division. I hope you are familiar with this. Y squared plus 1 tapos divided by y plus 1. Y squared divided by y is just y. Then multiply y squared y times y is equal to y squared. Y times 1 is just y. And then subtract. Y squared minus y squared is 0. 0 minus y is negative y. Bring down the positive 1. And repeat the process. Y divided by negative y is negative 1. Then distribute. Negative 1 times y is negative y. Negative 1 times 1 is negative 1. Then subtract. Negative y minus negative y is 0. 1 minus negative 1 is positive 2. So, natay remainder nga 2, maririte na to siya equal kang the quotient y minus 1 plus 2 over y plus 1. So, masimplify na to ni into y minus 1 plus 2 over y plus 1. Then, integrate dy. And this one is just a u substitution, right? Mamata-mata naman eh. So, we let u from this left term, let u be equal to x squared plus 1. So, it's du is equal to 2x. By plugging in, our integral now becomes dx. Since x dx lang diri and natay 2, so divide tag 2 to balance the equation over 2 equal to x dx. So we can now plug in this value na 1/2 du all over x squared plus 1 is related as u, so u. Now this one is equal to 1/2 ln of u. And i-substitute balik si u na ln of x squared plus 1. Now, sa ato ang second term is just a simple power rule and a logarithmic. So, kani siya is equal to integral of y is just y squared over 2. Integral of negative 1 with respect to y is just y. This one is just a simple logarithmic na plus 2 ln of y plus 1. So to combine all of our answer, we will have this answer 1/2 ln of x squared plus 1 equal to y squared over 2 minus y plus 2 ln of y plus 1. And don't forget your plus constant. This is our answer. But if your professor don't want to see some fraction, we can further simplify this by multiplying 2 both sides. Multiply taog 2. Mahimo siyang ln of x squared plus 1 equal now to distribute siya diri is mahimo na lang siyang y squared minus 2y plus 4 ln of y plus 1 plus 2c. Pero since this is a constant value, ma-absorb lang si 2. So mahimo na lang siyang c hapon. Pwede na siyang answer. This will be part 1 and next video will be part 2.